Let me explain you how you can color your clips and how to work in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, the easiest way to do it, of course, is you are in your Media tab right up here. And then you go to, for example, day one. So everything in day one gets a color. So you're gonna select everything, click on your right, and there you see here, clip colors. So I want to give this one orange, then I go to my B-roll, boom, right click colors, let's give it a color pink. And if you start to edit right now, so you go to the edit page, you see the B-roll is pink and day one is orange. So if you're going to import this clip into your timeline, you're going to see that you have an orange clip. And if we're going to import our B-roll to our timeline, you're going to see it's a pink clip. If you prefer to work like this, you can add this to your workflow. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the second method that you can add to your workflow working with colors. Okay, so I refreshed everything, nothing has a color anymore. So we are in a new timeline up here, and let's say that we just want to organize our colors already in our timeline. Let's say I want to give the first video track, I want to change the color to orange, and my second video track, I'm gonna change the color to yellow. So now we're gonna change the track colors. So let's say all my voiceovers needs to be on the track color purple, and the music needs to have a brown color. That way I know exactly what is what. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you immediately start to import your video clips from the bin into the timeline. This is really cool. So let's say this is my A clip, and I'm only going to import the video clip. So I'm going to grab this icon and I'm going to import it, and you see it immediately is orange. Pretty cool. And now I'm going to show you what it does. If I go one up, then it's yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. Very cool. Okay, select another clip and we're gonna import that to the second one, and that is yellow. Now do exactly the same for your voice. Okay, wait, grab something for the voice, and right up here you see it jumps to purple. Let's say that you want to import your song, and here we go. So now you know exactly what everything is on the timeline because you changed the colors of your tracks. There is one big mistake that you can make while creating this workflow, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. Alright, so now we are on a new timeline, and this workflow with the colors doesn't work when you already have your clips imported and you already gave your clips a color. So let's say I want to give this the color yellow, and I'm gonna give this the color orange, okay? And now I'm gonna start to change this color, the track color, and you're gonna see that it doesn't jump to the color that you created. Let me change it to purple, and let me change this one to orange. So now if you go up, and if you want to go down again, so we want this clip in here, it needs to change, right? But that doesn't work. And that's because you always need to do first your color management in here in the timeline, and then you can work in your timeline with the clips. Hopefully you learned something today. If you did, subscribe to this channel, give me a comment, and I will check you out in my next video. See ya!